Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Whop as a payment processor. To get started, open your Whop dashboard. This is where you'll manage your business settings, products, and payment-related options. If you're already signed in, you should land on the dashboard automatically. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or business account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Products. This section contains all of the items, offers, or access options you've created inside Whop. If you're setting up payments for an existing offer, this is the place where you'll make those changes. After opening the Products area, click on the sample product. In your own account, this may be the product you want to configure for payments. Selecting the product opens its settings, where you can manage how customers gain access and how charges are handled. This is an important step because payment processing is typically configured at the product level. Next, click on Paid Access. This area is where you define how users will pay for the product and what kind of paid entry they'll receive. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to pricing, billing frequency, or access terms. Read each field carefully so the payment setup matches the experience you want to offer your customers. From here, follow the on-screen procedure. Whop will guide you through the required setup details, and these prompts may vary slightly depending on your product type or account status. As you move through the process, make sure the pricing information, access settings, and any required payment details are entered accurately. It's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on, since these settings affect what your customers see at checkout and how they are billed. Once you've completed the setup, click Save Product in the top right corner. This confirms your changes and applies the payment configuration to the product. If you leave the page without saving, your updates may not be stored, so don't skip this final step. After saving, you may want to review the product one more time to confirm everything looks correct. That's especially helpful if you're preparing the product for live customers. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of using Whop as a payment processor for a product.